Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a real quick update video on the RAM Hemi ticking video that I made a few years ago. I'd also done an update about a year ago, and knock on wood, everything has been good since. But I did just want to kind of show you guys where I'm at. Yeah, so still no issues, still the original Hemi. We'll jump in, let's see how many Ks are on it. So we are sitting at 219,725. So the noises I was having was like, it almost kind of sounded like a bit of a rod knock, but it's been good. All I've really had lately is a slight exhaust rattle, but I think you can tell the difference if you hear it. But yeah, so let's fire it up, see what you think. And I haven't ran it since yesterday, so it's cold start. Seems to be running well. And again, guys, so my big thing was I think I was using the wrong oil. So I made the switch from Castrol Edge to Pennzoil Platinum Ultra 520. And like I say, my noises have been gone ever since. But yeah. So thought I'd do a quick update just to kind of show you how she's working. 13.9. Yeah, that's if I'm babying it. But yeah, thought I'd do a quick update. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks, guys. Catch you later.